Hey guys, it's Dave from Visionary, and I'll be doing a step-by-step guide on how to make a simple motion graphic intro. So to start us off, we're going to have a solid with a color of our choice. I'm going to pick maybe light green for this example. So here we have our background, and we're going to use our shape tool. Make sure it's on ellipse. Control Shift and then left click to a size that we would enjoy. Just any size can work, because we're going to be keyframing this either way. And just go to this drop down, transform, scale, then we're going to go out to however many we want, and then we're going to make sure that it covers the whole screen like this. Now if we play it, we can just graph it to make it look smoother, maybe stretch it out, or just do whatever feels just better, I guess, just whatever feels right. And then what we're going to do next, we're going to alpha invert right here. And if you don't have that option right here, that's where you get it from. And like that, now we have a black circle in our background. And so for this, I'm just going to use just any picture I have. I think I'll use this one. It's kind of funny. So what we're gonna do is, let's say I'll just make a circle mask for this very let me just get a decent one. Yeah, whatever, I'll just get this to work. I'm gonna center this. Now from here, it's already looking pretty similar to what we're looking for. Now what we do is just make sure it's scaled to the right amount that you want, and then now we're going to duplicate this. We're going to make sure we can see this one. Basically, we're going to change the keyframe here. We're going to go from this, and we're just going to put it all the way to 0. And then just like that, we have, let's just remove this picture for a second. We now have it's just going down. So this already works, but if you want a logo to do this, you can do two different things. You could either add an animation of your own, like let's say like position here, and it just goes down, and then you graph it. And then to make it look better, you should probably size it as well. Just like make it smaller. And it's a little awkward, but if you work on it, you can make it look a little better. Or you could just make it scale out, like just really simply as well. You can't really parent it to this, like because you use this thing, right? That doesn't work for parenting, but that's okay because it's simple. Just set this to 0 and just align it to the center, and then you graph it however you want. And then so I'm just going to do it the same way I did the other two, and then just like that, we have ourselves a nice fancy intro.
For more Visionary Studios tutorials, make sure to check out our website,